So what does this all mean? Let's bring in our legal dream team this morning, Darryl Cohen and Lawrence Zimmerman, two great attorneys. First of all, this behavior, I mean, does this demonstrate anything?
Well, I mean, obviously, as sad as it is, it seems like she's severely mentally ill. I mean, just obviously, who gives a thumbs up to the camera? And historically, a lot of women who kill children like this are just found to be, they're usually insane.
So let's talk about the process now, because, well, let's do this first, Darryl, before you even talk.
Oh, my gosh.
Let's go into the courtroom and listen to the judge speak to her and then ask her if she wants an attorney.
Ma'am, I'm going to caution you to cut out the display for the cameras. It's really not a good idea, and probably not to your benefit.
I don't need an attorney.
You don't need an attorney?
No.
Well, I beg to disagree with you.
How about that? She's saying she doesn't need an attorney. So what happens now? How does the judge handle all this?
Well, she certainly has a right to represent herself, but let me assure you, with a case like this, the judge will appoint a lawyer who will be at her side, at her beck and call, whether she likes it or not.
Does she appear competent at this point?
Confident, but not confident.
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell just looking at at the video, but
does the judge have to figure that out if she's competent to understand what's going on?
Sure, the judge could ask to have a competency hearing just on his own or her own. They don't have to wait for a lawyer to do it. So it's obviously clear to me that there's something wrong with this woman. I mean, besides she needs a lawyer, but she's giving a thumbs up and her kids are dead. There's something wrong.
Darryl, what do you think? How do you think prosecutors handle this one? Because you know, public opinion has obviously turned against this woman. She killed 4 children, her husband. Do you think there's any chance that they would agree that she's legally insane?
Well, I don't think there's a problem anymore. After President Reagan was shot, all of the states enacted guilty but insane. So the prosecutors can go about this, and I'm certain the psychiatrist and the psychologist will say she's probably insane, didn't know right from wrong, etc. But they can still prosecute her, and she will likely be found guilty of murder, guilty but insane, be treated until such time as she's okay, and then they'll be in the general population. And if she is the illegal alien that I understand she is, after that, if there's an after, she'll be then deported.
All right, we're going to talk more about this in another case. You guys are going to join us at 7 o'clock, but you're also going to go on Facebook Live right now, okay? Did they tell you about this?
They did.
They did, okay.
Not
all right.
me.
All right, so if you have any questions for Lawrence and Darryl, you can get on Facebook Live right now. In the meantime, let's send things over to Chesley.